Good evening, everybody. Welcome back again to another edition of session. Today, I'm just going to still talk about psychology and mental strength, failures, and things like that. These are everyday things that we do encounter in our lives. And if you don't have a very good mental strength, sometimes this is where you say, okay, I'm fed up, I'm giving up, I'm going. But you don't lose until you give up. And when you give up, you make all the naysayers, you know, very, very happy. And all those who have never traded before and they give you a zillion excuses why you shouldn't trade, why it's risky, why it is a scam. But trading, I mean, if you do understand trading with the help of a mentor, then I mean, you are is the way to go. It's a living, it's life. Catching pips wherever you are, all you need is internet connection and a laptop, and you don't need huge capital to start trading. But as I always say, mental strength is something that it is not born with. It is trained, So everybody who goes into trading, I always tell them this is just like any other business. And you will never know your strength even in real life until you are knocked down. And whatever happens, it doesn't matter how tough you are, you'll be knocked down. And guess what? The earth is so hard, so when you get knocked down, the earth doesn't break through. You have to get back up and walk again. A lion doesn't lay down when it's wounded. It licks the wounds and move forward. And this is how trading is. Sometimes you can have a losing streak of trade. It doesn't mean that you are a loser. All good traders lose. So I always tell people, get into your mind. If you have 100 good trades, know that one day the market will get you. What really happens is, as I always say, you have to check your system. If your system is giving you continuous losing streak, probably you're doing something wrong. And if just pause trading, go back to the drawing board and look at what you are doing wrong, test your system, tweak it. But what also most people don't know is there are 7 market conditions. One of them is trending market, one of them is sideways, one of them is when the market is going through consolidation. And not every system works in all these 7 conditions. Some system might work in 2, 3, 4, but you have to tweak your system. So if you know that your system is working in a trending market, it means when the market is not trending, you have to know that this is not a trending market, and you can follow it and go. So if it's not a trending market, you just pause, you don't trade until it start trending. And if it's also good, if you are following 1 or 2 or 3 markets, it means if they are not trending and you don't have trades, it means that you have to pause, give yourself a holiday, because what most people don't get it is that we don't have good setup every day. Sometimes you have a good setup, sometimes you don't have a good setup. And if you don't have a good setup, it means you don't have to trade, especially day traders, because they feel if they don't trade today, they've lost something, since they are making their living from day trading every day, every day. This doesn't work like that. If you don't have a good trade, please don't trade, and get back up and walk and face forward, because you have to prove your doubters wrong. I love it when somebody tells me you can't do it. I don't care how long it takes. I'm just going to put in the work. Keep putting the work, keep practicing, keep perfecting the skills, and one day you're going to be there. And this is how trading is. It's just like a real life story. It's up and down. So you can't say I've lost or I've blown my account, so I'm stopping to trade. If you need help, get help from a good mentor who is interested in you, who has the time to guide you and show you the mistakes that you are doing, and try to draw a proper trading plan with you. So what I would like to how I approach the market. what I normally do is I don't look at the market when the market is alive, unless I'm trying to do some day trading. Other than that, because I'm a position or I'm a position trader or swing trader, I look at the market once the market is closed. Then I analyze the market, I analyze my chart and see which trades are setting up, which one should I add to my watch list, which one should I cross out of my watch list. Then then get my orders ready and write the orders, then go into my order book and write all the orders that I have placed in the trade into my order book, the date, type of asset I'm trading, my entry point, whether it's a buy or sell. This is a business, so run it like a business. So then I'm finished. If I'm going to trade a day trading, then in the morning or whenever I look at trade, I'm just looking for good setup that I can trade. And what it is also that we don't have to trade anything. I mean, I know people who only trade one or two markets and that is it, and they are making good money every year. Quit their jobs, full-time traders, they are making 2 3 times, 4 times, some 5 6 times, some 10 times they were making in a year. If they were making, some are making 250 grand, 500 and things like that. I don't want to go into that, but it's just they've trained their psychology so strong that nothing can, every setup is just an opportunity for them to soar higher, to learn from their mistakes. Because like I always say, without setups there will be no heroes. There are heroes because they were once failure. And just like in any business, some days you get lost, some days you might get even big losses. So trading is just like that, but it's just for you to psych your mentality and know that, just like if I'm operating a restaurant, there are some days that people don't come in to buy, and all the food that I have cooked, I can't keep it and sell it the next day. So all of them I'm going to bin them, and sometimes this is tens of thousands of pounds or dollars or different currency, which is a lot. Nobody wants to go through that, but that is a reality. So if you're going to be a restaurant operator, then you need to understand this, that this might happen someday. Yes, and I have friends who owns restaurant, and that is it. And even in businesses, in a business, whether it's banking, whether it's engineering, whether it's retail, food go bad and they throw them away. But what you need is consistency, and you can only get consistent when you practice each day. All you need is to 30 to 1 hour a day. Then to practice, ask questions. If you have a mentor, do review. Have a mentor who has a time for you, time to go through the chart with you, time to answer your questions, time to point you towards the right direction. Do review upon review upon review, mentoring upon mentoring. And my friend, trust me, you are going to be there and you are going to succeed, because you need to be hungry and prove to the naysayers that yes, I made it. Yes, it was tough, but I made it. That's why most people can do, because if it was easy, then everybody is going to do it. But because it's not easy, it's tough. But that is where you have to show your character. Your strength will never be determined when every life is good. You're going to be tested and bring the beast in you when you hit bottom low. When you knock down hard into the ground. Trading is easy if you have a good mentor who is teaching you how the market setup, what to expect, how to approach your day, your mindset, your time frame. And you need to love to do exercise as well, because exercise is good for the body, is good for the mind. Good exercise is good for the mind. You think sharper and stuff. So you have to know how to approach the market physically, mentally, what you are looking for and stuff. And if you are a day trader and maybe you take 2 or 3 continuing losses in a trade, my advice would be don't trade again. Take the day off. Go walk around. If you don't have a job and this is your full-time job, go walk around. If you go watch a movie, go out for whatever you like to do, enjoy the atmosphere. If it is the beach side, go, psych up your mindset, psych up, because a good mindset is everything. And when you start your days with a good mindset, you are going to win your day, I'm telling you. And since this is money, and nobody in reality, nobody wants to lose money or likes to lose money, but the reality is, in business, losses do occur, and in trading too, losses do occur. So this normally happens, and you have to understand that this is what's happening. So you need to, yes, get it done, get past that stage, then do what you have to do. Good mindset, exercise, study, practice. And one mistake most people also do is, once they start trading live, they forget about their demo account. They don't practice their demo account again. But the demo account is there for you to still keep back testing and forward testing. You are back testing strategies. You are trying to improve your strategy that you are looking. You are back testing, you are forward testing, you are tweaking it, because the market doesn't stay the same. That's the most mistake most people do. The market will be there a billion years to come. If we are not dead, the market still will be there, but the conditions of the market changes. The market wouldn't stay, whatever market you are trading, it wouldn't stay in a trending mode forever. Condition changes, busts do happen. There is going to be a time when you are going to have 30 or even 50% sell off, or 50% rally. These are things that happens. Just like a business, it's a cycle. Markets go up, they reach a peak, they will drop. Market goes down, they make a bottom, and they will rally again. So you have to be practicing. Even when you are trading live account, you have to be practicing in your demo all the time, tweaking all the system, and practicing and seeing that you develop a new system, you've tested it is working, so now you are applying, you are bringing it to life. Don't just depend on one system, and when you are trading it, you don't tweak it. Even if it is just one system you are trading and it's working live for you, try to take the same system back to the demo account. Whilst you are trading the live account, you are trying to tweak it, find something to add to it that might improve it a little for you, which you be back testing, forward testing, then add it. Because trading is just like human being. We can get better every day if we want to. We must try to improve, to be better siblings, better brothers, better husbands, better daddies, better wives, better daughters, better students. Each day is a continuing process. So it's not like, boom, I got it, I'm done. Yeah, it might work, and it might get to a place where the strategy which has maybe make you over a million, and now you start losing and losing and losing and losing, and if you don't take time, it's going to make you quit, because this strategy is not working. I've had discussion with several traders, and it's, this strategy was making me like 100k in binary trading, and it was working, and now it's not working again, and I'm losing, because they don't tweak the strategy. They just keep it as it is, and they think that is it. No, strategies needs to be improved all the time. You have to improve it just like even our home. You buy that dream house and you live in that dream house, and you go around and you survey, and after a year, after two, you say, oh no, I want to do this here, I want to do that here, I need maybe an extension here, or I want to improve the swimming pool, or there's no swimming pool, I want to bring a swimming pool in, I want to make extension of the garden, or I need to extend my kitchen, I need to redo the tiles again, I need to redo the floor again. These are improvements that you are making into the already beautiful home that you've bought. And so is trading. The strategies that we are using, they have to be improved, and it's a continuum process. Day in, day out, we have to do back testing, and we have to prepare the mind before we come. we come into the market, just to understand whatever is happening. So yes, I'm going to leave you now, and I'll bring you another episode. These are real stories, my own trading journey, live account. As you can see, it's not a demo account. So, and I have my practice account as well. So until then, I see you again. Stay safe, and I wish you a happy trading. If you don't understand anything, feel free to send me a message. Okay, until then, bye bye.